I'm on. Hey, Tracy.
All right, perfect. Hi, everyone. Tracy Nelson here with Keller Williams. I wanted to do a little frequently asked questions video with lender Nathan Nelson of Loan Depot regarding forbearance. And so much has been thrown out there carelessly by several media channels. And I just thought this would help clear up a lot of confusion that's out there. Nathan's been a lender for about 20 years, right? 20 years. Yep. Okay. And he will clear up any confusion as well as give us an example on what forbearance would look like. So thank you, Nathan, for joining.
Yeah, thanks, Tracy. Yeah, so a lot of information out there, a lot of uncertainty. You can be confused by listening to different media outlets. And so what I've heard just in listening to the news even this morning is that if you're afraid that you may not have enough income in the months ahead, that you can go ahead and call your lender, request a forbearance, and you no longer have to make your mortgage payment. I think it's a very irresponsible thing for anyone to be saying. And if I'd hate for anyone to fall for that. So just, first of all, it's your mortgage payment. It's very important. It's your home. So let's make sure we exhaust all resources, talk to certain people before we make certain decisions. If you're thinking that you may have issues with paying your mortgage in the months ahead related to a reduce in income, make sure you've looked into what the forbearance means. Tracy and I were talking about this because she had brought up a point. Someone that she had talked to had mentioned they were going to get 3 months payments deferred, but then the payments would all be due at the end of the deferral. So a quick example is if you had a $4,000 monthly payment, principal, interest, tax, and insurance, and we won't even get into the escrow issues that could come from this, but $4,000 for, let's see, it's April 9th. So if your May payment's $4,000, June $4,000, July is $4,000, those are deferred. So then August, you have a $4,000 payment due plus your May, June, and July. So you have $16,000 due now in August. And so that's not going to help anyone. That's as if you just
made
the
payment. And you still owe your taxes and insurance, right? I mean, how would they, that's just a mess.
Yeah, there's probably going to be a mess, but the bigger mess is going to be coming up with 16 grand in August when you couldn't pay 4 grand in May, right? So what we're hearing in the industry is that this is the first round of of government intervening in the forbearance, and so there may be some adjustments to this in the future. Do not do anything right now if you're thinking that you may need help. I would say cautiously go about a forbearance, because from what it sounds to me, it is not adding money onto the end of the loan, which would be a safe way of fixing this. If the deferral added those to the very end of the loan and extended the loan term a few months or 6 months, that's doable. But
instead of a balloon payment.
Yeah, but having all that due right at the end of the forbearance, and most common forbearance right now is a 6-month forbearance. And so that would be November. So you're not going to pay May through October. You'll have your November payment due plus all of your payments from May to through October. And there's no way anybody could do that. There's just no way. It's not going to happen. So it's going to lead to defaults. It's going to lead to foreclosures or loan modifications. And it's because you didn't follow your agreement on the forbearance. So don't get into this agreement. There's a better way. There's a better way. A lot of clients are doing it right now, and it's just reducing your payment. Interest rates are low. So reduce your payment, drop your interest rate. You can likely skip 1 month mortgage payment. It's kind of added back to the loan, but it'll give you that cash flow. So
So look at other options,
look at
such
other
as
options.
refinancing. And if somebody feels like they are, needing to ask more questions of their lender or their bank in particular about forbearance, then it's asking about the terms, just like they did initially when they signed their mortgage papers, correct?
Yeah, look over it. Don't just submit a forbearance and think, oh, great, I don't have to make mortgage payments. The government's got my back. Don't do that. It's your home. So be very cautious. Reach out to me with any questions. My information, I think Tracy will provide that at the end of this. And again, just err on the side of caution. And if I were going to do anything right now, I would take advantage of low interest rates, reduce the interest rate on my mortgage. That'll lead to lower future mortgage payments and also some potential cash in your pocket.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, Nathan, for clearing up all the confusion and answering a lot of the questions that I've been getting, and I'm sure that you have been getting as well. So thank you. If you're looking to refinance or ask more questions regarding a forbearance or need a pre-approval, you can contact Nathan at 925-872-0400. That's my number. Or Nathan's number is 925-623-1019. I'll also put our contact information on the post of this video. And beyond anything, I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Thank you, Nathan.
Thank you.